How to cancel the Uber Eats order. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to cancel an Uber Eats order, here is the process. First and foremost, it depends upon the order timing. If it's been a while since you have placed the order, you might not be able to cancel it. It is because the food is already being prepared. However, if it's only been a few seconds or minutes, it can be cancelled. So, first of all, you will have to go to the Orders tab in the Uber Eats application, tap on your order, and tap on Cancel button if available. However, if the cancel button is not available, you'll have to go to the help section. In order to go to the help section, first of all, select the accounts, and in accounts, you'll have to select the option of help. After that, go to your orders option or help with an order. Select the order and then cancel it. Follow the on screen instructions for the next steps. However, Uber can only guarantee a refund if the order is cancelled before the merchant accepts it. There might be a cancellation fee depending on when you cancel and the status of order. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.